Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Siemens NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model or we are going to learn revolve feature by using this sketch. Now go to the software, Siemens NX software. Now just go to the new model. Our units are in millimeter. Just specify the name, specify the location. Just say OK. Now we have opened the NX. Then for easy creating of sketch, just keeping the software right side and sketch in the left side. First go to the sketch. Just create the sketch. Go to the sketch. I'm just taking the front plane. Just say OK. To any sketch we are starting in the NX. First start with the small line. Specify the dimension. Then go for the other lines. I just created the line. This line dimension is 90. Just no. Press the roller to confirm. Now I have created the line. Then we'll start creating the other lines. Go for here. This point. Here. Here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to. Now specify the dimension. This dimension is 220. Press the roller. And this dimension is 20. Press the roller to confirm. Then just create this arc. Go to the arc. Center and ends. Just keep the mouse here. You will get this point and this point. Now we have created this arc. Then go for the line. From here to here, the one more line. Then again same arc. Center and ends. This. Go to the arc again. Center point. This end point and this end point. Now just specify the dimension of this arc one by one. Now the dimension from here to here is 20. Press the roller to confirm. And this radius of this arc is 10. Press enter. And the height is 20. Height also be 20. Press enter. Now this arc radius is 20. Just 20. Press enter. Now we just want to put a line. Take this line from here to here, one line. And this distance is 20. Press the roller. Height of the line is they are not given. Now just create the start from here. Take the arc again. This one is take the 3-point arc here, somewhere here. Put like this. Then specify the radius 12.5 and this point. And these 2 points, the horizontal distance is 0. Make this horizontal distance 0. Then one more arc. Take the arc, 3-point arc. This point, like this. Press the roller to confirm. Now just specify the radius, which is here. The radius value is 60. Press enter. And the center height from here to this height is 80. 80. Press the roller to confirm. This height is 60. Just double key here. 60. Press the roller. Now every dimension we have specified it. Now the sketch is fully defined. Just finish the sketch. Now we have created the sketch. Then go for the revolve feature. Just click this revolve. It will automatically take the sketch. If you are not taking, just click here. Just select all the sketches. 9 curves it has taken. Then specify the vector. This line is the vector. And How much you want to rotate it, you specify. 180 means it will revolve up to 180. Just apply. You see, this one you will get. Like this you will get. Just go to the edit parameter. If you want to 270, just specify 270. Just say OK. You will get up to this. If you want 360 degree, just specify 360. Just say OK. Like full model you will get it. Or if you want only the quarter model with 90 degree, specify 90, just say OK. You will get this much only. Like that we can do a revolve. Go to the edit parameter. I'm just specifying 270. Just say OK. Like that we can do it. So I hope you like this video. In this tutorial we have learned how to do a revolve feature in NX. In next tutorial we will come up with a new model. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.